Hey, what's up, everybody? And I'm back with another video. I went to Target and bought another box of Optic. It was $10. I don't know. I can't remember how many boxes I bought this. This probably could be my fifth box. Yes, I bought too much. I know. I have a problem. Okay, let's open up and see what's in the box. 12 cards per box. Is a hit on this product. I have a feeling that all the rookies inside here, I already have them. I have 40 rookies available to buy. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm going to show you guys. Look at this. These are duplicates. I have 40 rookies. I would love to get rid of these. Anybody interested? Let me know. I will sell them very cheap. 40 Optic rookies available for anybody who's interested. All right. Let's open up the package and start with Carson Palmer. Put this in the back. Sorry guys, my desk is kind of messy. I apologize for that. Start with Carson Palmer. Malcolm Mitchell, holo refractor. Not numbered. Shirley Calhoun, refract holo. Cutler, Boyard, and Tyreek Hill. Wow, I just saw this to Shane. Well, it was numbered, but this card's not numbered. Tyreek Hill. This is like a blue refractor, holo refractor. Jalen Smith. Uh-oh. Another Zeke. Another Zeke. This is the purple one, but not numbered. I have two of these, I believe. Let me see if I can find it. Here it is, right here. This is the same kind. There we go. All right, let's get back to the cards. Bodak, got it. DM Jones, got it. Got it. Bosa, again. Two Bosa. So no Dak Prescott. No Dak Prescott. I was hoping to pull a deck, but no deck. So let's do the recap. There it is. Not bad. Pull another Zeke. There you go. Okay, guys, comment below. Tell me what you think. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will be back with another video soon. I think I'm going to my local car shop maybe today or tomorrow. Try to pick up some tops, baseball, because I'm looking to pick up the jumbo pack. I think it's cost $12. Instead of buying a blaster box for $20, I'm gonna give a shot buying a jumbo pack. Cost $12. Maybe I got a hit. I don't really like the blaster box. I don't really like the patches. Maybe it's not for me. Maybe it's for you. Okay, guys. I see you next time on my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.